Howdy everyone, this is Graham Fynham with Uptown 101 and I'm at the Remy in Frisco, Texas. The Remy in Frisco, Texas. This is the really brief one bedroom walkthrough, and so we're gonna walk in and see it. This is really outstanding actually. This is the kitchen area that's right over here, and this is super tall. This is probably 13 feet is my guess, maybe even higher, 14 feet. It's really tall in here. I love the kitchen feel. I love just the tall ceilings, the loft feel. There's a really pretty quartz countertop, and it goes, wow, long. So I love the feel of that in here. It's really nice. This also has this area here where you could put some bar stools under there, maybe 4, maybe even 5, for sure 4. And so you don't need a table. This is a really nice area here too. This is a great living room area. Look at the floors too, super cool. Floors are great. You got a lot of space to relax in here. This is nice. You do have a patio here too. You got that all covered. It's about 10 or 12 feet big. And then here's your bedroom. The bedroom's really nice. Remember, you've got those really tall ceilings in here. And then you've got a great bathroom here too. The bathroom's really nice. Bathroom's really easy to access too for guests. They don't have to go into your bedroom. This is what it looks like in here on this. And then we go into the closet. The closet's not a disappointment. It's actually pretty nice. It's got a lot of space in here. So I love the shelves in here. And again, I love how tall it is. That tallness really impacts everything. It gives you more storage space in the closet too. So it's a big deal to see this. Hey, if you like what you're seeing, send me a text and just ask me some questions on the Remy. And if you want to set up a tour, I would recommend actually doing a virtual tour, and you could do it of the Remy and maybe even 1 or 2 other apartments that are literally walking distance from here to truly compare. We'll set that up for you for free. I'll take care of it. It's a no cost free for you, and it's part of my free service to help you find your perfect place here in the Dallas area. By the way, we also serve Houston and Austin now. We love what we do. Serve Houston and Austin. We can take care of you and your friends and your families moving to those areas as well.